Okay, so we got AA. This is, let me get where we sit here, okay? This is the new right and graph inequalities and problems, okay? All right, so let me back up here. Charlie and his younger brother, Peter, are comparing their baseball card collections. Charlie has 65 cards in his collection. Peter only recently started collecting cards and has fewer cards than Charlie. Okay, so we're going to let P represent the number of baseball cards Peter could have in his collection. Which inequality models this story? Okay, so we look up and we say Charlie. Okay, so Charlie has 65. So Peter has only started. So Peter, where's that? Charlie has 65 cards in his collection. Peter only recently started collecting cards and has fewer cards than Charlie. Okay, so Peter has fewer cards than Charlie. So we can write that basically as we're talking about it here. Okay, so Peter has fewer cards than Charlie. So if you'll write that basically down, what P stands for Peter. Okay. Peter's cards, and he has less than from up here. Peter, what is that? Peter, or start playing cards, and has fewer cards, less than 65. So P is less than 65. So bing, 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 bing. There, P equals less than 65. Now, if we had to write that as a graph, we see that there's two options, either an open circle or a closed circle, okay? So a closed circle it's either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, okay? Open is less than or greater than, okay? So we're in the open because we're a less than, okay? So we're going to do less than 65. So P has got to be less than 65. So open circle around 65, open circle, and then we are going to shade this way, okay? So Peter, or P, the number of cards Peter has less than 65, okay? So you click on this button, okay? Open circle around your target number right there, okay? And then less than 65, okay? All right, guys, if you have anything else, let me know. Like I said, this is AA, and it's got new. There's no number beside it. It has new writing graph inequality word problem, okay?